Welcome to Borail News. Assam Police CID filed charge sheet on Santosh Hojai abduction and murder case, involvement of then SP and DSP named. Assam Police CID had filed a charge sheet on abduction and murder case of late Santosh Hojai and submitted before the Guwahati High Court. The charge sheet have named involvement of 7 police personnel and 1 civilian, including the prime accused SP Bir Bikram Gogoi and his deputy Surya Kanta. 4 police constables and 1 sub-inspector of police have been named in the charge sheet beside 1 ex-militant Gregson Hojai, alias Elvin Hojai, alias Thalgori. 2 police constables were arrested by the CID in November 2020, while Elvin Hojai was arrested at Dimapur in Nagaland on 19 April 2021. Meanwhile, rest of the accused police personnel are under anticipatory bail. It has been disclosed during investigation that on 24 April 2020, Santosh Hojai was picked up in white bolero at gunpoint by accused 3 to 6 persons and proceeded towards Haflong. He was later handed over to the then DISP Surya Kanta Morang and took him to the office of SP Dima Hasao on his Scorpio vehicle and interrogated and tortured him. Being police officials, they have fully breached and neglected to follow the legal provisions, procedures, rules, regulations applicable to the members of the Assam Police Service. Police officials pick up victim Santosh Hojai and detained him illegally without having any lawful authority. Further, the state officials tortured the victim during their custody and did not provide any medical assistance when he was kept in Sarkari Bagan town outpost, as a result of which the victim succumbed to his injuries on 25 April 2021, and said police officials buried the dead body of the victim in an attempt to conceal the evidence of heinous crime, the charge sheet reveals. The whole investigation was monitored by Guwahati High Court, where Advocate Desring Dautausen was appearing on behalf of the victim's family. The case will begin its trial in lower court in Dima Hasao.
Writ petition criminal sumoto, which has been filed by Srimati Joyanta Hojai, has been disposed of recently by the Honorable Guwahati High Court, considering that the investigation has been completed and the charge sheet has also been filed before the Honorable District and Session Court Dima Hasao Haflong. The charge sheet has been filed against the 8 accused persons, and among the 8 accused persons, it has been found that the police personnel were also involved in the case. 8 accused के बीच में former SP और former DSP के नाम भी शामिल है. रिट पिटिशन क्रिमिनल सुमोटो ये फाइल किया था श्रीमती जयंत होजाई ने, क्योंकि 24 अप्रैल 2020 में उसका पति को उन लोग का रेसिडेंस से किडनैप किया था, और इसका बाद 30 अप्रैल 2020 में उसका डेड बॉडी भी रिकवर हुआ था. तो एक एप्रीहेंशन था कि यहाँ पे कई पुलिस पर्सनल का इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी हो सकता है, तो एक इन्वेस्टिगेशन एक प्रॉपरली होना पड़ेगा. तो ये एप्रीहेंशन को लेके ये रिट पिटिशन क्रिमिनल सुमोटो ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट में फाइल किया गया था. I, on behalf of myself and on behalf of the victim family, would like to extend my gratitude to the Honorable Guwahati High Court for monitoring the investigation, and at the same time the CID Assam for properly investigating the matter and for filing the charge sheet.
Reporting by Pankaj Timung and Suraj Burman, Borail News.